if you're not going to take a dip in a pool somewhere, then this may be the thing to do. Head out and hit the links.
Hey.
Few people in this time lapse, you'll see them right here. Getting the right idea this afternoon, spending the day outdoors, definitely recommended. If you're at work, having to work today, then get outside a little later today because it is going to be a very nice day across the state, and we'll continue with that through at least tomorrow before things get interesting toward the end of the week. Lots of sunshine for the metro as well, and temperature just about perfect. Only in the mid-60s right now, 66 degrees with a variable wind at 3 miles per hour. We're looking at temperatures right now in the 50s for Alamosa, one of the cooler spots. Otherwise in the 60s across the north, down to the south, only into the 70s. 75 in Roswell, 79 in Carlsbad, 75 in Alamogordo. But these temperatures will boost up over the next couple of days, so we will be back to more, at least closer to summertime temperatures as we move into tomorrow and into Thursday, and then we'll start to see some storms develop as well. But the showers that we saw across the northeastern corner of the state now starting to depart. We have a small chance of getting a couple of showers across the northeast throughout the afternoon and into this evening, but those chances very slim, even less so than what we saw yesterday, and will continue to dry out into your Wednesday as well. So we will be looking at warmer temperatures this afternoon, lots of sunshine for most of the state, maybe a couple of showers across the north, and then we really cut out those rain chances altogether for tomorrow. Maybe one spot shower or so, but really we're looking dry across the entire state, and the temperatures continue to boost up as well. Then when things get interesting into Thursday and Friday, Superstorm track showing the rain chances at least for today. These are the showers that we saw earlier this morning. We have another shot, maybe getting a couple more showers later on this afternoon across the northeast. And then into tomorrow, we're looking at virtually nothing across the state, and that continues into early Thursday. But then by Thursday afternoon, we are looking at a chance of getting a little bit more action, especially in the eastern part of the state, because we're watching a dry line which separates the dry air from the moist air, and that's going to push in toward the state by Thursday afternoon. We'll be looking for showers along the dry line and back into where the moisture areas are, and if that dry line can push far enough into the state, we'll have a decent shot of picking up a few showers and storms across eastern New Mexico, and some of these showers could be on the strong side, or at least some of these storms could be on the strong side, maybe a couple even severe. So it's something we're going to have to watch very closely through Thursday, Friday, and it looks like this will be the case through the weekend as well. The big question with this is how far in does this dry line make it into the state? The further in to the west that it makes it into the state, the better chance we have of more areas picking up a few showers and a few of those storms as well. And of course, we'll keep an eye on it for you, but over the next couple of days, looking at fantastic weather. Southern Colorado, temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s with a mix of sun and clouds. More sunshine on the way for the end of the week as temperatures warm to near 80 degrees. Over the northwest, sunny and breezy this afternoon, highs in the 60s and 70s. We'll boost those temperatures up to the mid-80s by Thursday, and that continues on through the weekend with mostly sunny skies. Over the southwest, lots of sunshine, highs into the 80s for most locations. We'll be in the upper 80s in Silver City by Wednesday, and that continues into Thursday, and then into the low 90s for Friday and the weekend. Sunshine continuing into at least early next week. Over the southeast, sunny and breezy through the afternoon, highs into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. We'll be in the upper 80s on Wednesday, and then there's those chances of picking up a few storms through the latter part of the week and into the weekend. Temperatures continue to warm up as well. We're back into the mid to upper 90s by the weekend. Over the northeast, partly cloudy, highs into the 60s, 70s to near 80 degrees. We'll be looking for a chance of a couple of storms Thursday into Friday with highs back into the low 80s going into the weekend. Over the northern mountains, partly cloudy, a spot storm will be possible. Highs anywhere from 55 in Red River all the way up to 71 in Espanola. Chances of a couple of storms Thursday into Friday, highs into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees with more sunshine by early next week. Over the East Mountains, partly cloudy, highs into the low to mid 70s, and the metro will be in the mid 70s this afternoon with mostly sunny skies. And we may be looking at maybe a few more clouds Thursday into Friday as that dry line pushes toward us. Maybe a spot storm, but the chance is definitely better as you move out to the east.
Spring like summer weather,
Yes.
I say.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, John.